Ba mwale kumufulira. If it were you, what would you have done kudu amasehu? I would have fired. Ine ndi mudonga kudu jawe. Nishfana majokes. If you have Fidel, first of all, you have to pave way for the system to either cleanse you or find you wanting.
So the suspension of the ZAMSA board DG, the ZAMSA
how do you suspend? How do you suspend?
It's nothing to you, because
it's not enough, Thomas. How do you suspend DG wa ZAMSA? But Nyasulu mamta suspend.
It was the board that did that. We should also put it on record.
Yes, but who supervises that board? How did the minister respond? Because the buck stops with the minister. In civilized countries, step down to pave way.